keep on talking. I'm not alone. Thinking this moment's where I belong. All these lines stay in my head. Simple words I never said. Letter from my heart to you. Every word I keep feels true. Letter from my heart I send. Hope this moment never ends. I squeeze your hand, you don't notice much. Still I feel the spark in every touch. Leaning closer while you go on. Simple moments make me strong. Every glance, it tells me more. Quiet thoughts I can't ignore. Letter from my heart to you. Every word I keep feels true. Letter from my heart I send. Hope this moment never ends. Funny to think who writes these days. Still my mind finds 100 ways. Thanks, I say